What's up, man? Oh, so you saw my video on how to get for free and you wanted to get trusted signals for free because you think it's a better indicator? Okay, that sounds like a good idea. Actually, you know what? Instead, let's actually just go ahead and give trusted signals away every single month until the end of time. I think that actually sounds better. What do you think?
Yes!
All they have to do is drop a comment below in order to enter on this video, and I will pick a winner on the 15th of every month until the end of time. All right. Done. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Chris P, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you 2 ways to get trusted signals for free. Now, before you think that this video is clickbait,
you're probably thinking this video has to be clickbait. No.
drop a comment below, because every single month on the 15th, I will pick a winner to give a lifetime membership. So let's flood the comments, and every single month until the end of time, we will choose one person from this video to give trusted signals. And this is my way to make sure that we give back to the community. And there's another way that you can get trusted signals for free, and it's very, very simple. New year, everybody wants to become a better version of themselves. So this is a great opportunity for you to introduce them to trading. So let's go ahead and jump directly into this video. So what is trusted signals? Trusted signals is a chart overlay that is available on tradingview.com. Tradingview.com is where everybody does their chart analysis for trading. Trusted signals comes with 9 different indicators. 9 different indicators, and inside these indicators they have a bunch of built-in tools that give you the ability to make better decisions in the market. The settings that you're seeing right now are the V2 settings, and they are on the swing trading setting. Keep in mind that trusted signals is fully customizable. You can change it to see more signals, less signals. They have different types of bands. You can show EMA cloud if you would like. You can show the average directional range. You can show daily highs, monthly highs, weekly highs. You can even see the sessions and highlight the session. Support, resistance, auto trend lines, auto Fibonacci. These are a bunch of added tools to help you gain focus and get a grip on the market. Trusted signals is the #1 indicator, and it's the fastest growing indicator on the TradingView platform. This is great for you guys because I want you to think to yourself right now, how many unsuccessful traders you know? How many people have asked you what cryptocurrencies to buy and when is a good time to buy? When is a good time to sell? These are all questions that if you're getting asked, you should promote trusted signals. Trusted signals is right now giving away 10% for every referral that you bring them. Therefore, if you bring 10 lifetime members, you will then have trusted signals for free. Now, keep in mind, a lot of people want to find a new side hustle. Trusted signals right now is giving you the ability to get 10% for every sale that you bring to them. Not only are they giving you 10% referral on one sale, but if they sign up to the monthly membership, then you will be getting 10% every single month that person is signed up.
Take me out to dinner. Hey, yo!
First thing that you're gonna wanna do to sign up to the Trusted Signals affiliate program is scroll all the way to the bottom of the website. They have a lot of cool things on the website, and they're always updating it, so make sure that you check it out. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna come to additional resources, and then you're gonna wanna click refer friends. Then it's gonna bring you to this page right here. Now, as you guys can see here, commission payout is 10%, unlimited reoccurring monthly commissions. You get paid each month they stay on the membership. They also do cash prizes, giveaways every month to the best performing affiliates. Now, one thing that they just mentioned, they have been paying out in Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies. So that is a great way to fund your account. Give it maybe 6 days or so to get access because they do have to verify a few things in order to accept you to the program. But this is the easiest way to get trusted signals for free. All you have to do is get 10 people inside the membership, which isn't hard because Trusted Signals is an amazing product, and the product pretty much sells itself. One trade can potentially pay for your membership as well. So this is another reason why you should just get the membership right now, so that way you can make enough money, so that way you can just get the lifetime member anyway. Just check these testimonials. I'm loving my lifetime membership. Just testing new strategies, got some good profits. I love TS. Making profits is beside the point. The point is what I've gained from Trusted Signals community. I can say I am a change trader with a strong positive mindset, armed with powerful skills and a powerful indicator which gives me the confidence with live confirmations. I can say I'm making profits more consistently now, and I must say I've learned a lot from this man himself, the ambassador. Big respect. You guys have a chance to not only make enough money to get your membership or get your lifetime membership, but you have a chance to make a profit. A lot of these people who are signing up to the monthly, they are signing up to the lifetime membership. I get messages almost every single day from a new user who signs up to lifetime thanking me for introducing them. So now all you have to do is introduce everybody you know to Trusted Signals. Now, before I end this video, all right, I want you guys to make sure that you watch this last video because it has some very, very powerful information that's gonna definitely help you trade. You can actually lose more trades and still make more money. So watch this video, and matter of fact, if your name pops up on this video right now on the screen, then congratulations, message me down below because you just won $100 Bitcoin. And don't forget to drop your comments on this video for your chance to enter the lifetime giveaway. Until the next video, I'm out. Peace. Also, you see my shirt, I'm repping Trade Gang. You already know, shout out to my boy Ty. We're about to take over MetaTrader Champions, you know what I'm saying? Get the shirt.